Good morning. Today we're gonna make some pancakes. I already got the mix started because my phone keeps on freaking saying there's not enough storage. So gotta finish mixing it. Okay, I'm gonna put this down for a sec. So yeah, gotta mix. I mix fast. Like once I got it looking like this, I started mixing fast. So like the powder will go everywhere and mixing the water and it together. Is it too thick? Little bit of water. My grandma always says don't ever have too thick or too thin. Ooh, now it feels like when it starts feeling like really like loose, like cake batter, cupcake batter. Well, same thing, but still. When it starts doing this, dripping down easily, then you know it's ready. Alright, like right here, I put this water away. Time to start the cooking. Okay, gotta put on this fan so it won't start up the alarm. Alright. Okay, now it's a little cooler. Gotta sit it up, not too high, like, ooh, the water. Let that just heat up. It's kinda, okay, let me wipe this. Okay, so it totally just got better to add another plate because it gets really hot. Oops. My spatula ready? I'm gonna pour it in there. Okay. Here we go. So, like I said, good morning. So, like, if you don't know how to cook a pancake, like my friend Jasmine, I think she does, but I'm not sure. I would ask her later. It says it has to be bubbling like a lot on the surface. Then, once it's really bubbled, you wedge the spatula under there and flip it, like you, and then wait a couple seconds and flip again. Add butter to the top, flip, add butter, flip, take it off like that. Well, I don't have any butter, so this might not be as good as I think. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll come back because my storage is like, ah. Oh wow, so I was about to put the phone down. It's already starting to bubble, so this won't be too long. See that? It's not ready. No! It got stuck. Time to clean. Yuck. Well, this is just to tell you guys. Cereal time and egg time. It's easy to scrape off. I'm just gonna make some eggs and throw that batter away. And just tell you, always be prepared with butter or oil or something when you make pancakes. This is a mess. It looks like Joey's from Full House when he makes the yogurt pancakes. If you even know what that is, this will look like. Great. Bye, Music Meisters. Have a nice breakfast. And, well, it's really 12:58, but I just haven't moved for some eggs. So, goodbye. Music Meister, she is totally out.